Good morning, welcome everyone. A new day has started and we're here in London. So let's see what's gonna happen right before the news. That's why I just started right before. I think we have GDP, right? Okay, Greg, good morning. How you doing? We have GDP in about 42 seconds. Let's see how is that gonna move the market. I think nothing special should be happening. This is the 5-minute Nasdaq. We have a gap down there at 24. It's pretty close. I think he's gonna get it. What else? What else? All right. News are out. I'm just looking at this. Nothing really special. A little bit of a spike here. Nothing technically. 3 points. Okay, it's going down. Should be taking that sell side at 24.50. Other than that, there is nothing down there. I'm checking the 15-minute and the 5-minute, but really nothing. Okay, sell side been taken there. What else? We have Asia low at 213. I don't know. Can we go down there? Maybe. I'm gonna put this here as a possible sell side liquidity. Mary, hey there, good morning. How you doing? How's everybody doing? All right. I think. Oh, I'm not sure. This one could be dropping further, but I really don't know. We have the midnight level. Let's check a higher time frame and see what could be going on here. Yesterday's New York session was quite interesting. Up and down, up and down. Took out some highs, and it's a little bit stuck here, but it's Friday, so on Friday we can all expect some rallies. So nothing special. I would say there's an order block down there, maybe at 19. Don't know. No displacement or anything. Just gonna wait. Hold on, what was the 13.50 is Asia low. 13.50. There. So that's what we have right now. Prasad, hey there, good morning. I'm okay. This has been my toughest week of trading. Oh, how's that? Yeah, trust me, it was tough for me too. We'll take a breaking, start fresh next week. Yeah, I mean, recharge the batteries over the weekend, you know, start fresh next week. This week was tough, Mary. I know, it was tough. I was actually scared to enter trades. EMH, hey, welcome. Good to see you. This was tough. I was scared to enter some trades because price action was so unpredictable, and the worst days were, I think, Monday and Tuesday, where it was technically going sideways. Mary, come on. Don't be brokenhearted. It happens. It happens. Trust me. I lose accounts a lot. I mean, recently as well. Not a lot. Not that much as for example a year ago. But it happens. If you lost a funded account, if you're in drawdown on a funded account, I don't know. But it's also, I know it's painful, but it happens. It happens. I have to deal, and everybody I think have to deal with this issue, and you're not alone. You're not alone. You just have to, rethink, maybe write about it in a journal. I mean, trust me, journaling is a good thing. You have to write about your feelings, what you did, good or bad. Journaling helps in trading a lot. In drawdown in my PA accounts. Okay, so listen. Don't touch your PA accounts today. Even if you feel an urge to trade in a bad emotional state, I would say find a demo account or a sim account or whatever, and you can still practice on a demo account, practice some entries, maybe journal it, but again, write down what happened during the week. Have a journal. You don't have to write every day into the journal. I don't write every day into my trading journal. Sometimes I leave out 2 or 3 days or more. Sometimes I journal it every day. It depends how I'm feeling. I know maybe I should be journaling every day, but I don't journal all my trades. I just journal most likely the setups that I liked, or the ones I didn't like, or I didn't take, or the ones I did take and ended up in loss. So anything that was special by some reason, but write it down. And yeah, Komodo, hey Tom, seems like I can't blow with YOLO because most of my first trades are winners. Oh, well, maybe you should then, I'm not saying go with YOLO trades, but please manage your risk properly. The rest of the trades should be okay as well. No, good morning, good to see you. So Mary, trust me on this one. With all honesty, I tell you this, that it may sound a little bit childish to write a journal or whatever, but it's good. It's good. It helps. Don't jinx yourself. Yeah. Yeah. So journal. And you don't even have to journal every day. Just write down and talk about your feelings. Like, write the journal to yourself. It's not for anybody else. It's just for yourself. It's your personal life. It's your personal feelings, your emotions. Trading is all about emotions. Write it to yourself, and don't be hard on yourself. Like, don't write that I was so bad, I'm an idiot or something. Don't write something like this. No. Quite the opposite. Write down that I saw this and that, and I entered the way like this. I think I was a little bit too greedy. I have to learn from these mistakes for next time, because if I would have waited for this long and that long, I could have avoided this. This is a very good lesson to learn. I'm grateful for the lesson. Let's move on. Let's save this trade to know next time what to do. So don't be hard on yourself. Yeah. There you go. Lost 5 XFAs this week. Tough week. Oh, 2 PA accounts. Oh no. Come on. All my 3 accounts going back to pass. Blown. Hey Francis, Marco, good morning, and everyone. Yeah, no worries. Mary, just to let you know, it's part of the road. I mean, the trip, It's part of the journey. That's it. I have set hard stops in rhythmic settings for next accounts. There you go. Moving forward. There. I mean, that's it. That's how you do it. Rhythmic can help you, even if you're using a prop firm with no daily loss limit. Rhythmic has a very, very good function to do that. Of course, you can say that you can also disable that function, but it's a good thing still. You're stopped out for the day, and you should know that, okay, that's it. It's part of the journey. And 99% of the time, it's always going to be emotions that going to put us into failing trades. Bernard, hey there. What do you think of TOPSTEP X? I think it's a good platform so far. I never used it. I was talking about it with some other people on Discord, and I saw others trading it. To be honest, I think, best of my knowledge, it's something similar to using TradingView platform. How should I say this? I mean, traders said that there are some glitches sometimes, but TOPSTEP said that they are working on some glitches that will be fixed. But me personally, I don't like to trade TradingView because it lags a little bit behind, especially on market executions. I don't know how fast is TOPSTEP X with market executions. But the reason I don't use TOPSTEP X in the future is because they don't let me to copy trade between multiple prop firms. If there would be a function there to copy trade between multiple prop firms, I would consider it. But honestly, I don't really care about TOPSTEP X that much right now because I'm using Quant Hour. So. 2 PAs were at 10th day, so emotional and confused. Oh yeah. Thank you. Yeah, TOPSTEP X is going to bankrupt a lot of prop firm, then using it for days, but it's a beast. Okay, then there you go. I mean, the price is very good now, the introduction price and there's no commission. There's a cleanup fee or something like that. That's what they said. The good thing is they have no commission. Hey, Nascalp God, I still call you Nascalp God. Scalp G Nas. What? Nasty. Sorry, Scalp G Nasty. Good morning. So, I guess it's a good thing. Price wise, now it's $19 until Monday, but also you can get a similar account with end of day trailing and daily stop out with BULENOX for $18 with Quant Hour or Ninja Trader, basically rhythmic connection. So the price right now is a promotional price, but for 50K, I mean $49, I don't know, you have to decide. If you like TOPSTEP, definitely go with TOPSTEP X, of course. And especially if you're not looking to trade other prop firms, then definitely. Why not? You can use it. I think this month, the prop firm space, especially in the Forex space, is a little bit more, well, it's in a gray area. Some prop firms are having liquidity issues. I was reading on X and some Reddit posts and forums and Discord chats. Some prop firms are having liquidity issues in the Forex space. There are a few big ones who are still standing, but I think there is a shift going on in the market. So it's 19 until you pass the eval. Yeah, Mary. That's why I said the price is good now, and BULENOX has the same for $18 lifetime until you don't pass the eval. Or they charge, yeah, no, it's lifetime. Lifetime, I think TOPSTEP, not just I think, I'm sure that it charges you $19 lifetime. And just like BULENOX does that right now, charges you $18 lifetime. Yeah, so you can choose. Basically, you got the same conditions. Also, TOPSTEP gives you a $2,000 drawdown. BULENOX gives you a $2,500 drawdown. So there's a difference. TOPSTEP's daily stop out level is $1,000. BULENOX $1,100. Yeah, no problem. Just saying in comparison. Now there's only one thing that's left for TOPSTEP to work on a little bit, is maybe the payout policy. To work on the daily $200. That would be awesome if they would reduce it somehow. That would be awesome, because it puts a little bit of an emotional pressure. But if you're focusing on the trades and the long term, you should be having those $200 trades. I mean days. So that's a good thing. Dark Cloud, hey there. What's up? So I'm just saying all this because both TOPSTEP and BULENOX sale is going to end on Sunday. So you stack up some accounts. You know what code to use. Or really, I'm gonna get one or two more accounts from each at least, or more. In TOPSTEP is the drawdown end of day. It's end of day. It's end of day. Just like BULENOX has the option to accounts right now with end of day trading. Okay. All right, let's see. What do we have? Nothing is really moving. I thought that we're gonna move down to the Asia low, yet it's not going there. We had a structure shift here on the 32nd, which is nice. For me, it's not enough yet. So this would be almost a classic ICT entry right here. In this area on the 30-second chart. The thing is that I've done a lot of backtesting as well, and the win ratio of these reversals are down to 50% in the past few months, most likely. So even if it reverses, I might waiting for the second leg up or down, just to make sure the trend is still there and we have some clean targets. So anyway, just saying. W's there. Good morning, Crypto Panda. We missed the trade because we were talking. No. I mean, yeah, technically we missed, but you know, the entry would have been at 25 with a stop loss of 21 or 22. That's too small. I mean, that is just so tight and small. Like, I probably, even if I go for these, I'm not taking it because it's such a small range. Look at this, like 3 points on Nasdaq. It's no volume. You can still enter right now. You know, go for some liquidity void at 32. But Okay. Wait for retest. Well, it retested now. So you had the chance, or you still have your chance to enter long. I'm not entering this long. One of the reasons is that I think it's very tight here. And the other one is we still, I mean, if we go to the 1 minute, and this is the 1 minute, we actually took some liquidity up here, up there at 35, right before the news. And what if we still want to go down a little bit more, down to midnight level, or take out Asia low? I don't know. We're still before the London Open, but there you go. Now it goes. Now it goes. It went up 1 point. It seems like a lot now, but it's not moving. As I said, it's too tight. And by the way, guys, push the like button. Please help out the stream. Let's push this stream. Thank you, thank you. Subscribe to the channel if you would like to. And sorry, we're gonna restart the giveaway ASAP. Most likely on the weekend. I have to upload video and new content, so it's gonna be have to do something with the giveaway. And the thing I'm gonna do on the channel as well, like I'm gonna do, and I'm editing it now, the partially vlog videos, but it's gonna be on a separate playlist. So it's gonna be more than likely trading related, how I, do my personal life, related to trading, how I try to focus and do stuff, maybe take some walks. I take you guys to the gym or to a ride with the car, whatever. I have some plans and some good topics that we could talk in those vlog videos. It's not that exciting. For example, if you see Mr. Beast, you're going to be watching that all day, all night. But, what can you do trading related on a vlog? Not so much. So the only thing I can do is talk about some ideas, trading related stuff, while I take you guys on my day. Okay, seems like we're going up there. There's a small but significant liquidity void here at 32. Might take it out. Right there. $265 looks good. Let's check it. Mm-hmm. 265. I went too far. Okay. Yeah. It looks okay. I like that. I would have entered the FEG retest, but I blew my account a few weeks ago. Oh. I'll see if I buy one these days. Yeah. Or you can just do demo. Hey Oracle, howdy. Oh, thank you for the message on Discord. I'm gonna check it out. I just saw it this morning. I'm gonna check that out. Look at that. It's going. It took out this liquidity void. So if anybody entered on this gap, now it turned out good. How much was it? It was only like 7 points. But hey, a trade is a trade, right? I told you guys the reason why I didn't enter is that it was so tight. If I would have entered at 25.25, the whole stop loss would have been at like 3 points, 3.5, something like that. It's just not too much. So I have the 245 level up there, which is previous day high, 245. So it can still go. Not a clear market structure shift here, but on the 30 seconds, there is a shift maybe here. Okay, so that was a shift. Could we go higher? Who knows? So that's a shift with the displacement. The reason I just don't like it is because it pushed strong and now it can just dump down. London is still 34 minutes away. I mean, it can go there. I don't know. 33. Are we good for 10 points here? Hi Tom, is there any way to move the control button target stop to the right side? You mean here on Quanta, where you're talking about, for example, putting a buy limit here? Is this what you're talking about? I guess this is what you're talking about, right? I don't think so. I don't know. I haven't checked it really. Pulled pork, Tom. What are you talking about, Nez? I don't know. I'm not sure if you go to the settings and you go to visual trading. Is there a way for it to do? Huh. On the left or right? Trades, marker, small, color. I don't know. View. Price to mouse wheel. Vertical default. I don't know. I don't think so. $242.35, strong resistance. Yeah, it could be. We have previous day high up there. I think I'm gonna delete this limit order. Seems like we're going for 245, right? Yeah, it's okay. There's nothing to do. Yeah, I checked it. Default. Yeah, it's default. In 1 minute, there is gonna be a 15 bearish SMT on a 15 minute. Bearish SMT. What is happening? Oh, okay. So the ES made a new high. All right. I haven't checked on it. ES made a new high, so yeah, NQ could go down again. Bearish SMT, good to know. Not that I'm trading it, but it's good to know when something like this happens. No short now, not now, that's for sure. No short right now. Only if we see the entry model playing out. Okay, so this is something I was talking about. We have a market structure shift. If this one is closing below this and it's going to close, this is only on the 30-second chart. So Asia low is at 213. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this too. So we could be having a reversal here. Yeah. Oh, you're bullish. Okay. So this is a short right now. It's a classic short setup. If you guys want to enter, I think I'm actually gonna take it there. Partially because of the SMT, but also because the 13 level, this seems like a good target for me as Asia low. Very small trade. Very, very tiny small trade here. This is my daily probe trade, which I always lose, guys. I always lose these trades, so do not do the same like I do. It's just a probe trade. Took out another level here. We have an SMT, nice structure shift, some good targets below. So let's see. Target 42 could be. Oh yeah. I mean, if it shifts higher and the trend is still valid by the trend lines, and I have a shift, then I jump in maybe for another one, an opposite trade to attack the 45.50. Actually, I'm thinking to close this as the usual probe trade. Looking for buy above 240 after London. Yeah. Equal highs at 38. Yeah, there are. Gotta wait for a second pullback. Yeah, it's my test trade. It's my test trade just to feel the market where it's gonna go. I mean, I'm basically like risking 20 something dollars. Oh, you don't see the account. 25 or 8, something like that. Where is the account balance? Okay. So this is my funded futures evaluation from yesterday. Go check him out, by the way. If you want an account that has the activation fee included, and if you're skilled enough to pass 30 days, under 30 days, then as a brand new customer, they give you 30% off if you use my code. So you can get a 50K account, including the activation fee, for $115 per month. So if you can make it in 30 days, you basically got your funded account from $115 with no consistency rule, no cap on the withdrawals. You can do pretty much anything you want. So that's a good deal. All right, I think it's gonna go against me. But there's no shift yet on the 32nd, no clean shift. If it's gonna displace above the 38, then I'm just not gonna take any trade because it's gonna be too close to the 45, I think. So good morning, Trader G. Double hamburger, double cheeseburger, maybe. I like that. I like that. So don't forget, stack up a few accounts from BULENOX too, if you would like to, because it's cheap. Why not? After it shows die out, go long. Oh yeah, premium spot for cheap long trade soon. Yeah, I'm looking at this here, and I don't like this shift or whatever it is. I might close it with a fairly small loss here. I don't even know how much. $10. It's nothing. Just for the fun, I think I'm gonna leave it. I get used to, like, my first trades are always in a loss in the London session, and then I work my way out to the New York session. That's how my days are going. Maybe I should not take any trades in the London Open or before the London Open. Never works out, guys. It never works out, or rarely. Actually, we're very close to 45, so I'm gonna close it. I closed it. I closed it. Lost $15 with commissions. Okay, just in time. Stop being a baby. Target 50% wick at 241.50. There's no entry for me here. I wish there was, but there's nothing. I am positive. I am absolutely. I mean, I'm just saying, like, that's the thing that used to happen. My probe trades are usually failing. Well, hey. By the way, guys, honest question, and I'm really curious about what you guys are thinking or saying about this. Do you guys think that it's possible to achieve, like, on average, and I don't even want to say a super big number, like a huge number, like tens of thousands of dollars, but is it possible to achieve $4,000 or $5,000 on average per month, not per week or whatever, per month, from trading futures prop firms? Careful, think about it. Is it possible? Is it a realistic goal to make at least around $4,000 to $5,000 per month, only solely just from taking out profits from futures prop firms? Is it possible? Yes. Okay. Greg says yes. Scott Nez says in 1 day. That's why I'm saying in a month. Is it possible? Alpine is doing it. There you go. In a single day, Alpine does it. So because I'm trying to figure out the trading plan for the future, of course, not for tomorrow, but for the future of how many accounts should I build up over this year? What is the a realistic goal to build up as a trading profit? How much time do I need mentally to focus on that one? Can I believe that if it's possible on a regular basis, at least on a 3 months average? So maybe 1 month I don't really make a lot, but I have a better month, so at least on a 3 months average, $4,000 to $5,000, because for me that would be a full life-changing situation. And that's why I'm asking, expand your beliefs. Heck yeah, of course. 2K to 5K. Okay. That's why I was curious about what is your opinion, because everyone is from different places. Everybody trades differently. Everybody has their own different style, goals, And honestly, for a big milestone in my future in trading, reaching $4,000 to $5,000 on a month on a constant basis would be something awesome. And I just don't know if it's really, within the reach. Is it really possible, or it takes too much toll on the mind or on the trader? 9K gold, so 100K. Wow. Okay, let's see. You guys, thank you for the answers. Absolutely. Funded account, build a buffer and trade minis. Tom, check out Discord DM. Minus 2K. I am waiting to be paid now. Awesome. Check how many days. Just a second. Crypto Panda. Go for 150K accounts. Less trades on best areas. Yeah. 15 days of trading per month is okay. 3,759K goal. It's about beliefs. The media said that nobody could run a 4-minute mile. Your heart would explode out your chest. They said now everybody does it. Oh yeah. Making 250 a day for 15 days. Yeah, okay. West side. That's why I'm asking. Good morning, Methodical Man. Methodical Man, hey there. It's nighttime for you. Why don't you sleep? 5 to 20 micros. Tom, hey there. Hello, Teacher FX. Hello, Teacher FX. Strategy, serious question. How many of us make 5K but give most of it back in a month per account? Good question. Grand new day, sir. Yeah, I built around 30K buffer on each of 150K accounts. I trade minis, sometimes micros. Okay. Wow. Oh my God, that is sometimes my pyramid. That is awesome, Francis. Good morning, Crypto Panda. Very positive. That's like 200, 300 a day, 420. 12. You're in 12 hours. Are you streaming? You're in 12 hours. Let me check. Oh, Crypto Panda, I see. Okay. Only one account, that is. Okay. Awesome. I see that. Cool. Cool. That is awesome. That is awesome. Congratulations, Crypto Panda. Write your response here. Don't read it out loud. Okay. It's very possible it's just a discipline. It's hard to just only take 250 a day for the market. You want more. I mean, if I could take 250 on average on every day on a funded account, I would be more than happy. I definitely don't want to go for more. Comparing to FX, futures much likely to achieve this. Okay. So, methodical man, you're gonna do 12 hours. Let's see. We talked about joining forces, right? Yeah. No problem. Oh yeah, so I thought that you wanted me to join in the New York session. I didn't know. I wasn't sure if you're doing the London. Okay. I don't know. Don't know what to do. Let's see the time right now. How do I do that? I don't know. I don't know how to do that, man. I mean, I was in a delay on your stream. Anytime is fine. How about this, methodical man? Because I didn't forget it, but I have to. Let's see. At the end of the silver bullet hour, so that's around 10. Sorry. That's gonna be around 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, maybe a little bit after. I'm gonna have to go because I have to deal with the doggy. Unfortunately, it's gonna be very sad. And I'm gonna be coming back later, but most likely not to the market open, maybe a little bit. I mean, not to 8 a.m., maybe a little bit later. But no, I just waiting for a phone call. Actually, to be honest, my girlfriend is went to his father's, and they're gonna call the vet sometime in the morning, so maybe anytime. And they told me worst case scenario, it should be in a few hours. But if I have to go, they will call me, and I will have to drive there because it's all depending on what time the vet is coming, unfortunately. So that's it. I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm gonna be still here at the Open here in the London Open, and I'm gonna be here trading the silver bullet. I'm just saying, if I will have a phone call, I might have to leave. I mean, basically that's it. But I should be getting back to New York session, so maybe it would be better by that time. Maybe I'm not sure I can focus. All right. London Open is about 10 minutes away. Oh, and I just got the email that Trade Day is extending the sale until Sunday if you register with no activation fee to register for an account. Your account dropped. It is what it is. No issues there. Okay. "4 a.m. to 4 p.m. Yeah. Actually, he's on from. I mean, yeah, he's gonna do almost like a 12-hour stream. All right. Is there any news at the Open? I don't think so, right? I don't see any news, major news event, or is there? Yeah, nothing. Nothing special. So it should be all right. 2:45 to 2. Not at the open hour, but consumer sentiment at 9 a.m. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna happen. I was just checking the London session. We have some news. Consumer sentiment. Oh yeah, this is CAD news. So that's it. That's it. All right, let's see. Is there going to be some movement? Are we going to take out the 45 finally or not? Not sure yet. We're going for the 45, it seems like. Is it good for a 5-point scalp? Maybe. How about that? How about we YOLO a 5-point scalp here? There you go. Scalping the London Open for 5 points. How about that? And you know what? I'm gonna add to it. Let's do it with balls. No stop loss, guys. Who cares? We only live once, right? No stop loss. 5 micros. Why not? Camille, hey there. You're good, Zoltan. Good morning. Just quick like and I'm off. Okay, thank you so much, Zoltan. Thank you. Miss you too, Camille. Miss you too. Go 45. I'm crazy, I know. Oh, I'm gonna send you the Discord link. Sorry. You know what? I'm gonna. Where is that? Yeah, that's how I do it, guys. That's how I do it. I am mental crazy. You know, just killing the market. Just killing the market, as always. All right. It was actually... Oh, what the hell is happening? It's going up. Oh. Where can it go? Right before the open. The next level is here. 67. Are we gonna go there? Well, who knows? What is... What is happening? Are we gonna go higher or what? I don't know. Anyway. Okay. Sorry. Just mumbling in myself. Nice catch. Yeah, 65. Could be. London is about to open. 67.75 is the high. How high before it crashes? Yeah. So it took out some highs here. Question is how far it will go. $67.75. I'm gonna mark it there. $67.75 is a high up there. Okay. Let's see what happens. Please push the like button, guys, and subscribe also. Check out the deals we have. Good discounts. Helps to support the stream. And me being here full time. So please consider using some codes and links if you would like to purchase some evaluation accounts. We have some good things going on. My Funded Futures activation fee included in the price if you're a brand new customer. This is the best promo from them right now. You can get an expert account for $115 if you're a brand new registration, and activation fee is included in the price. No withdrawal cap, no consistency rule. Basically everything you want to do, all the freedom. but still, the other ones are good too. 80% off Apex Lifetime, 90% off BULENOX Lifetime from the option to end of day accounts as well. And TOPSTEP has the TOPSTEP X promotion until Monday too. If you click on the link. Thank you so much. That was the commercial. Okay, it's going up. 67, maybe. It's in the crosshair. London is about to open in 10 seconds. Not expecting too much, but let's see what it does. All right. Are we going to take out 67.75? No pullback here, so if it's not going to pull back, it should be moving quickly, strongly higher. It's pushing. It's still pushing it. Very close, 10 points away. It feels like it's gonna go straight up there. Marci Német, hello. Oh, I think this is the call. Hold on. Sorry. To the moon. Yeah, to the moon. London opened up. So where could we go? There was no entry, guys. So I could not have entered into this one on my entry model. So nothing here that interests me. But it definitely took a new high here. So yeah, what's the next target? I wonder. 351 would be the next bigger target. And we have the 300s up there. Oh yeah, 350 next, if, only if, yeah. It was interesting. Was there some kind of a news coming out? UK GDP, nothing special. Did they revise the previous, by the way? No, no revision. Oh, they revised it. Okay, look at that. That was a revision, I think. Yeah. It has been revised. Anyway. Busted all the stop losses. Yeah. Maybe some pullback now before heading to 350. Could be. I'm gonna put a line to 300 just to know the whole number. Oh, what do we see today, Tom? Sorry, I didn't read that. Well, what do we see? Good idea. Friday is usually a little bit bullish, so we could see a continuation higher. I don't know. Thirty points and I'm out. Well, it can go, but I'm just not sure if I want to enter the long position right here. Let me check the 30-second. It took out this level, the 67. Is it going to act as support? Not that I'm trading support and resistance, but this area could be holding. No displacement right now. Yesterday high was at 45. I say it can continue. I'm gonna put the 300 level here. As a nice whole number if it wants to go. It's stuck a little bit here. I don't know. 50%. Yeah, 50% pullback to 55. Could go down there. It could go down there. I just don't see any displacements or shifts here. So I'm gonna have to wait. Let's just wait. Go long. Quarter size in. Oh, maybe. Maybe. It's not impossible. Not impossible. If a reversal may be down to 18,233 at least, yeah, could be. That could be happening. For now, we're stuck here, and we just have to wait. Either it's gonna go for the 300s, or gonna go down, reprice some lows. But until I don't have the entry, I'm just gonna skip it. Nice how the 15-minute looks if we close like this. Yeah. I wouldn't want to long that. Yeah, nice. You should wait for one more confirmation. How you doing with the trades today, Nez? How you doing? How are the trades going for you? Not too bad. That's good. That's good. I'm not in any trade yet, guys. I'm not sure if Marty is in, but you're bullish. Okay. I would like to stay bullish as well. Let's check the ES. ES has an order block on the 1 hour at, if you check the 1 hour, order block starts at 52.61. Go to the left and you will see this order block here. It's a beautiful textbook order block from the 10th of April. It actually starts at 57, so I'm gonna put a line here, and this is why I'm staying bullish on Nasdaq. 52.57 is the first wick of the order block, although the body that really counts, so that's 61, but 57.75, sorry, 57.75 is the order block. if ES wants to go there, I think NQ is definitely going to stay bullish. If it shifts higher, then we could see some movement, definitely. So I'm going to wait until a break. I'm going to delete this line. I'm going to wait for a break. Okay. Instead of going up, it's going down. Just typical. I'm not tagged in yet. All right. Peter, hey there. Hi, Tom. Do you watch volume? If you look at the 1 minute candle, there was one huge volume spike. And then the price and the volume dropped off. I don't really watch volume. But, you know, at these large candles, there used to be some spikes. Now I'm a little bit confused if I should go short or not. I put a limit sell. I don't know why. Okay, I'm in a sell. If you ask me why, I don't know. Actually, I know. 64. I'm gonna go for 10 points ish. I'm gonna go down to 44. With this one. It was based on my entry model for a scalp. I should go with bigger TP, but from this one I want to get out a little bit sooner. No, dude, hedge long. I'm short bias for sure. NQ took out. Oh yeah. As I said, this is just a scalp trade. The overall bias could be still bullish. I want to see a pullback. That's all. Too early for sure. I'm waiting for second confirmation, maybe double. Toppy looking. Yeah, could be. I'm a little aggressive on this evaluation account because I don't want to nourish it the whole month. So even if I lose this one, I'm gonna be losing about 70 bucks. But if I lose this one, I'm gonna be looking for a nice long position to do some higher highs, and that is gonna be a bigger risk trade. This is a smaller risk. You are literally going short this late in bullish territory. Yeah, I'm doing stupid trades somehow. Or, you know, I'm just doing me. You know, Ness. Look at the 4 hour. Look, all the wicks just took out many stop losses. So I think it will push lower for today. Let's check the 4 hour. Oh, yeah. 4 hour took out some levels, that's for sure. The only thing that I'm concerned is the order block, which is still up there on the 1 hour, by the way. But I get it. Yeah, I get it. I totally get it. Relative equal lows here. I'm gonna delete this line. Relative equal lows at 31. Could be anything. Now we go back up. Well, could happen. Now it will. Okay, well, let's see. Let's see what happens. The RSI is definitely almost at oversold. Not that I really care about it right now, but let's see. Again, if it's shifting, then of course I take the loss and look for a healthy long position when I have the entry model playing out. Watch, I'm ICT Puerto Rican. all right, Ness. Yeah, he's manipulating. I'll go ahead. Okay. I like that. I like that. Oh man. Seems like somebody pulled the plug again on Nasdaq for some reason. I don't know why, but they did. Well, it's a slow thingy right now. I call this collecting orders before swipe out the longs or the shorts. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Marcy. Pontosan. Exactly. That's what happens at these movements. When it's consolidating, it's actually accumulating positions, aka sweeping, you know, the highs and the lows, collecting the orders. So we don't know. You know, I don't like that area. I'm gonna close it. I closed it because it's consolidating for too long. And let me show you what I was afraid of. Is this area right there. You guys can see it. Okay. There is liquidity void up there. Liquidity void 2 times here. Even if I go to the 1 minute, it's not there. Not there. Partially there on the mini, but on the 30-second it doesn't look good. There's liquidity void there, so it's a good thing I closed it. Look at this. It's like trying to decide if you go up or down. It's sometimes it's difficult. Sometimes it is difficult. I I made a good choice now by closing it here, because it came up here and repriced this void. And look at that. All right, collecting some orders down here. If that's the narrative, that this was the area where it was collecting orders, then I think I'm just going to maybe take a long. Who knows? This one actually shifted. All right, 3 micros for now. Okay, got filled. Let's see, risking small. If it's going to trade below 50, then it's not valid anyways. Otherwise, I'm gonna go for 69. That's it. Up it goes. Right on time. Yeah. Is the Apex website down? Sometimes, yeah, sometimes it has some issues. Let me check. Yeah, sometimes it has like timeout issues or something. It does it almost every day, sometime in the London session. I don't know why. I noticed that too. Try it again in a few minutes or something. Down now? Could be. Yeah, no problem. I think their server is a little bit laggy sometimes. But it did it like almost every week, almost every day in the London session when I wanted to enter or check it. I saw this a lot of times. Okay, so this is a classic ICT shift. Not my A+ setup, I can tell you that, but I entered anyway. It's not an A+ on my end, but it's okay. Yeah. So this is the thing that disturbs me, is we have relative equal lows at 51. So I don't like that. Relative equal lows, so I might looking to close this trade again. It's gonna get taken out. Yeah. Damn it, look at that. It's gonna spike lower. The intention was this trade to be a scalp trade, but I don't like those relative equal lows, so all right, I'm closing it. Closing it out. I don't like it. This area right here. I'm flat, right? Yeah, I'm flat. Okay. It's gonna go down and close it. Right here. That's the problem on my end. I'm not saying it won't go higher, but the more I look at the 5-minute and the 1-minute, the more I don't like this level here. Right there. Paper hands. Tom, you winner, bro. Not anymore. Yeah, I'm not trusting. This is something I don't know. I have paper hands right now, guys. I have paper hands. I admit. The experience blurry quant hour when using bigger screens, which is related to scaling issue. No. Nothing blurry. Nothing blurry. For now, at least. UPP, bro. You don't call other traders wiener. Come on. It's okay. I know. I like Nez. He has a unique and kind personality, and I like his honesty. Sometimes it's too honest. I know. Sometimes he's too honest. But hey. Still in a premium of the lag, so yeah. Winners of wheel and Joe. So I think it was a good call. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, so as we talked, we collated orders. Then we swiped out early shorts. Now we will swipe the early long, so I can add more contracts before going higher. I'm still in. Just be patient. Okay, you know, that's a good strategy. If you feel like we're going there and you have your strategy there, you have your trading plan, I could re-enter this trade if I want to. The problem is the lows here are disturbing me. I feel a disturbance in the force, you know. The low of this one is 255 and this one is 255, so equal lows, nothing special. I still don't like it. I'm considering the short again, but I just don't know. This could be a shift. Trend lines are crossing. We have a gap. How long is that? 50. Is it good for 6 points? All right. There I am. Here I am. Rock you like a hurricane. Here I am. Scalping, guys. Scalping. Oh, no. You're out. Okay, exactly. Where do you get such words? Where you bully? Come on. No, nobody gets banned here. This is not that place. I never banned anyone. I don't want to start it today. Worst case scenario, someone gets a timeout for 2 minutes or whatever. I don't know. For life. Yeah. I went short, yeah. Scorpion fans, yeah. Oh, everybody's mod got revoked. Only Methodical Man has mod privileges. Only he's the only one. But yeah, everybody's mod has been revoked because I'm gonna redo everything in terms of modding, you know, and also a guy who's in YouTube CEO told me that YouTube doesn't like when everybody is a mod in the chat. I don't know why, but I'm gonna redo you guys, don't worry. I'm a trader. But hey, Camille, I still like you. You're gonna tell him, how dare you? I was the best mod. Everybody was a good mod. Guys, you know, you guys will get it back. I promise that, okay? I promise. I will put everyone like Thor's hammer If you're worthy, you're gonna be back. I said, come on, man, come on, guys. No, you're giving me a hard time here. Traitor or trader? I don't know. Don't do this with me, guys. I'm emotionally very fragile today. We have to put a nice, very old doggy down today, so I'm very sad. Probably I'm gonna cry later. So Tom is selling mud position. Come on. Mr. Tom, anyone got that 50k? Yeah, so the giveaway had a winner, and there's no giveaway yet. I promised you guys there will be a new giveaway this week, and I'm sorry I had to edit a YouTube video because it's gonna be part of the application. Sorry about that. It's my fault. I was very busy, but the giveaway is gonna come, Komodo. New giveaway is coming. I promise. Okay, it's gonna come. Stay tuned. I'm worthy of herpes. Come on, man. Dang, Tom, that sucks, bro. Yeah. I love dogs too. But he's very old. He's like more than 15 years old, and we were stalling it, and he can't get up anymore. He can't even turn around. You know, he pisses himself and can't open his eyes. Really, is not seeing really anything anymore. That's very bad. He's just, you know, a vegetable. Unfortunately, so it's sad to say it, but he can't move anymore. And the vet said it should be the time. So it's time. Had to put down my 20-year-old cat. Oh, sorry to hear that, Greg. Condolences. Probably why I'm having... Yeah, it could infect. Sorry to hear that. Quick question. Does BULENOX have a limit on how much you can make in a day? Eval account, no limit. You can do as much as you want. You can trade the news. You are free to do whatever you want to do on evaluation account. No limits, nothing. Nothing. Yeah. Tom, if you had to be the best looking girl in the world but couldn't trade, or an average girl, but you can't trade at all, you what? Tom, if you had to be the best looking girl in the world but couldn't trade, or with average girl but you can trade all you want, so which one would I choose? Oh no, it's going up. Which one should I choose? If I had to be the best looking girl, you know, the best looking girls in the world, as much as I can tell from Instagram and all around the place, they don't really have issues, you know, in their life. You know, they just find a very a rich person. And that's that. I'm not saying everybody's a gold digger, but hey, if you're a very attractive girl, if you're super beautiful, I don't think you're gonna have financial issues. You know, sorry to say that, but that's how the world works nowadays. Come, you're weird. Thanks. No problem, Bestie J. Bro, go long. I'm gonna stick to this one for now, just for a little bit. Actually, it's tempting to go long. I see that. I see what you're saying. Yeah. Good looking girls always has an easy life, yeah. Yeah, it's the courage. And it has the fucking word for it, even if you good looking, yeah. Oh yeah. Tom, you can do off with her what? Good business idea. Okay. All right. Well, so far, OnlyFans are actually, I think, one of the best income sources for these girls. But oh, look at that! Now it's looking bad for me. Back to square one with this trade. I mean, back to the first loss, even lower. Damn it. It's gonna be a loss. Well, that is what it is. I tried. I thought that I know the market better. Olisa, hey there. I thought that I controlled the market. I even made the calls to the market makers. They're not listening. They're not doing what I want. Most likely bullish. This is going to be all the way to the top. Yeah, I think so. If it moves above these levels at 63, well, 80s, here we come. 80s, here we come. It's not going to be good for me, but all I need is one good displacement. Let's see. From next week, I'm going to be having Take Profit Trader as well as an evaluation account to be traded actively. I'm not trading it right now, but I will. It will be in the cards. This is going to be okay. 1 hour candle will close under the wicks, probably bullish. I think you got in too early. Could be. I don't know. If it doesn't quit. Do you think watching ticks instead of actual price in your PNL has helped your trading? I don't know. It helps something. You know, the tick chart actually shows you sometimes a cleaner picture of what's going on. So I have no issue with the tick chart. I think it's good. I'm just not used to it. But I'm thinking actually to work again with the tick charts, because you know, especially when the volume is lower a little bit, it shows you a much cleaner picture. Bearish SMT may be forming with ES. Really? Let's check it. Could be. Could be. Could be. I'm on a short. Wanted to scalp below these relative equal lows and target this fair value gap lower. When I saw this one having a displacement, let me show you This was my entry placed there on that gap. Minor structure. It's not an A plus setup. It's definitely not A plus. I just thought that we're gonna take out this low, you know, and then I thought, why not? We could be reaching this gap here down, sweeping some more liquidity. I jumped in, and now it's just going sideways. If it trades above these levels, above 63s maybe, with the displacement, it could be a good idea to take those longs, because then we could be targeting the 300s. I'm not sure. RPG, yeah, here I'm short. Yeah, have you tried the Heiken Ashi? Yeah, Nas has a lot of information about it, and you know, years ago I studied it more, and of course I know it now as well. It requires a different entry method, almost like a different strategy. So I think it works better with support and resistance, because the entries are not going to be all that precise. I think you just, as much as I learned, I have to pick out areas when I see that Heiken Ashi candle formation to enter. And anyway, but 15 with busy is holding. Yeah. Anyway, guys, please push the like button. Help out the stream with pushing the like. It's free to do. It's super easy, and it's really helping out my channel. Thank you so much. Also, please consider to subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate that too. And that would be awesome. Thank you, thank you. Maybe I should put out a live sub count, just like Methodical Man does, because we're getting closer to 2,000 subscribers, and it would be awesome to see if someone is subscribing on the stream. Maybe I'll do it next time. Just did. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you don't see a pop-up message or an alert triggered, it's because your YouTube is maybe set to private, and that's why the OBS is not getting the alert. But thank you for subscription. Let me give an applause to anyone who just subscribed. Oh my god, it missed my take profit with one tick. I'm gonna close it here. Missed my TP with one tick. I hate that. It bounced off right there. I think it's even touched it. It just didn't feel it. Anyway. Closed it. Closed it manually. It was not a perfect exit, but it bounced right off. Do you feel any from anxiety before the bell for New York? Yes, I do. Of course I feel anxiety before the opening bell. This is my 4th year trading. Of course I feel, and I think that feeling will never go away completely. Maybe you can reduce it, but if you're really feeling the need to trade, the need for those profits, because we all do, because we are professional gamblers in a good, I mean, I'm not saying it is a bad thing. I'm saying it as a pro thing. So it will never go away. It will never, 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 never. Go, yeah. So I hate this. My TP, I think it touched my TP and TP. And it bounced off. And I hate this. It happened quite a few times on streams that it touched it and went the opposite way. So I closed it. Looks like YM will test 40k today. Oh. Okay, so it's still not through my... Okay, now it's done. Okay, so if I would have been more patient, I could have made at least 2 more points. My fault. Paper hands. Paper hand, exactly. Perfect example of paper hand. Also, the thing I was paper handed is because of this liquidity void right there. Same thing happened here, remember, on this one. Didn't go through this low, spiked all the way back up there. So it went down, took out the low, pump. I mean, it's just bounced back, and I thought that, okay, I don't like that. We're gonna go back and retest those highs. So I thought, okay, F it, I'm gonna close it. So there was a purpose why I made that decision. But yeah. TP, toilet paper. It is you against you, yeah. In shorts, but so sluggish. Yeah, it's very sluggish. Let's go to the 1 minute. Previous day high is right here. Tapped into this gap on the 1 minute. I don't know. Looks interesting for sure. Market is really moving today compared to oh yeah, especially if you're talking about Monday and Tuesday. Like Monday and Tuesday, especially the London session was so crap. It was wow, it was very bad. Very bad. I didn't like it at all. I didn't like it at all. $307, 77, yeah, nothing. I'm just checking. I'm trading full time, but I would be lying if I would tell you I'm making the living only from the profits, because last year I took profits from TOPSTEP. I'm trading futures only since last summer, and this year, I mean, I took out $4,200 from TOPSTEP. That was all I took out last year until December, from October to December. And this year I only took out $350. So to be honest, I had a side income until April last month. I was working for an insurance company as a side business, and since last month I'm doing this full time. If you ask me how, it's because of the social media, because of YouTube, because of the affiliate commissions. Here in my country, I can say that to you, that an average salary is around $900. $900 a month, an average salary. And without going into the details, I was able to make more than that with the YouTube and the affiliate commissions, thanks to you guys for helping out and using my promo codes and links. And that's how I was able to afford being here full time. So my answer is not from trading, unfortunately, yet. Although I have my funded accounts up and ready, but still not at the payout level that much. Only one payout this year from TOPSTEP, and And I'm building up the BULENOX account, the Apex account, the My Funded Futures account. I should do a weekly recap, and that is already being done partially. I'm going to upload it over the weekend. How I'm doing with the funded accounts, how I'm progressing to the payouts. So, oh, thank you, Alicia. Thank you. I mean, it's a few dollars here and there. I got, how much I got? For example, last month I got a little bit over $200 from BULENOX because you guys were using my code. I got a little bit over that money from Apex because you guys were using my codes, and so on. So these small affiliate codes and links helping me out, and that's it. I think I could make more. I could make more with these promos, whatever. But of course, the goal is to make it from trading, and that's the thing. But I have to be here. You know, that doesn't come like automatically. I want to be here with you guys. I want to share my experience, my journey, and I want to make new videos to my YouTube because I'm a little bit behind, and I'm gonna continue to do this. I do this as a job, so me being here is a job. This is my job right now. This is what I do. Oh, thank you, Frankie. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm paying rent. I'm paying the bills. I have a loan I have to pay. So I'm having all that things, and being here is a job for me. But I like this one. I love this one, and I'm very, very thankful and grateful for Methodical Man and everybody else who pushed my channel and helped me out to build out everything. And yeah, we're not stopping. We're moving forward, guys. We're moving forward, and the goal is to take those payouts. Take those payouts, because that's the goal for me. I think it's not unrealistic, and that's why I was asking it at the beginning of the London session. That is it realistic to reach $4,000 to $5,000 on average per month from trading prop firms? I think it's possible. I think it is. For me, that would be a huge milestone to reach for, and for everybody. So why not do it together, right? Do you trading live in front of an audience like YouTube keep you accountable and not taking reckless swings at the plates? A little bit. A little bit. Not fully. Taking trades on YouTube puts you into extra pressure, because even if you're down, like I used to be. Yesterday I was super down. I had to cut the stream, and that was the first time this year actually I had to cut the stream in New York, because I was so emotionally in a bad area. I had to cut the stream. That was the first time. But it puts you into extra pressure, and even if you're emotionally down, you have to be, I mean, there's this urge inside that you have to be doing good on YouTube. You know, your subconscious is saying like, oh, you have to show the people, you have to prove that you're a great trader, blah blah blah. And sometimes, last year when I was trading forex at early 2023, I was still with forex prop firms. I did some reckless trades on stream. I did. But I'm not doing that much anymore. I mean, I do some, let's just say, higher risk trades, but yeah. Thank you, Cobra. Thank you. Thank you. But I'm here, and we're grinding. We're doing it, you know. We're grinding, we're grinding, we're grinding. It definitely requires you to be online every day, requires an online presence. So I'm happy with that. I dedicated this, I mean, myself to this, so I'm super okay. right. What is going on? Fear the shock of the hour. What is the shock of the hour? Methodical man, come on. What is the shock of the hour? I don't know what the you guys talking about it all the time, and I don't know. Shock of the hour. Is that something I invented or you guys invented something? I don't know what that is. People tell me it's what you say when the top of the hour takes your profits. Oh, okay. All right. I was confused. Okay. Okay. Not too long. Would you mind telling me what equipments and software I need to start live streaming? Yeah, sure. I mean, you basically need, for example, I'm not a computer geek, but I think you need an average gaming computer. It doesn't have to be like a supersonic, super high computer. It has to have, I mean, someone told me I need to have a somewhat good graphic card and a good processor, and that's it basically. Only you can start with one screen if you want. I started with one screen back in the day, so I had one screen. I had 3 screens, now I have 2, but these are just cheap monitors, nothing extra. And believe it or not, I don't have a 180 webcam. I have a 720p webcam, which I want to update soon, but I have a 720p webcam which costs like $10 or $12. This microphone here costs $17. And what else? That's all. $17 for the microphone, $12 for the webcam, an average gaming computer. That's it. That's it. It doesn't have to be a robust machine for just regular streaming like here on YouTube. Software, Streamlabs OBS. You can go with regular OBS. I use Streamlabs OBS because back in the day I was streaming on Twitch too, and we were streaming some gaming. And I started the Streamlabs OBS, but whatever. Yeah, it's affordable. It's I mean, you can get an average gaming PC, Windows, with Windows everything. I don't know. I'm not an expert, but I think you can get $500-600, a very good one, maybe even cheaper. $400-500 you can get one with a good graphic card, and it's gonna be able to do everything. Good graphic card, good CPU. You can do it from a laptop too, but I think it's not so comfortable to stream and trade from a laptop at the same time. I did that. It's possible. I had a gaming laptop, but I sold it because I never used it, basically. But and nowadays, getting an average computer, I mean, especially if you have some credit, or I mean, here in my country, I walk into a store, they give me credit super easy to buy a PC or a television, whatever, like on a very affordable monthly basis. If you don't have 500 in your pocket, but you have some kind of a job, you know, here you can buy a PC very easily, an average gaming PC. All right, it looks like it wants to go lower. Um, 42, 48. I don't want to jump in. I don't know. Should I jump in? I'm not sure. I'm not gonna do the shock of the hour. I mean, I'm not gonna give back this tiny little profits that I made today. They have a rent-a-center. What is that? I mean, Is that like where you can get household things like televisions, electric stuff, or something like that? Oh, credit needed. Yeah, they have. Oh, no credit needed. No, you need some credit here. I'm just saying that for these kind of things, if you want to buy, for example, a television or a computer, they don't really ask for too much. Even if you just have a minimum wage job with a paper that proves that you're minimum wage, you can take a television or a PC, whatever. That's it. So those things are usually easy to get. I'm just how does that work? No credit needed. That's interesting. I think that's a lot of risk, because if someone buys a television with no credit, and if he or she is not paying the monthly payments, what's gonna happen? Of course, the law is different. I know, but how are they going to get that money back? That is. But for example, my mobile phone provider, because I'm with them since quite a few years, gives me a $1,000 or $1,500 laptop if I want to ask for them. No credit needed. So if I go into my mobile phone provider, they give me a $1,500 laptop, super easy. I just sign the paper, no credit, and I can take the laptop, for example. I could do that tomorrow or today. I just walk in and take a $1,500 laptop, because I'm like a old client with them, or I don't know, I'm in a program or credit, whatever. But they always give me the email that I get the emails. I can get these televisions, laptops, everything. I just have to sign, no credit and no interest, just for monthly payments, you know. You go and take the TV. But if you're not take the TV back, what happens? You know, because if someone would do that here in Hungary, I bet a lot of people won't be taking the television back. A lot of people won't be taking the TV back. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Maybe I should have taken this short. A little bit of FOMO. A little bit of FOMO, but let's see. 50, 46 could be. All right. I'm gonna close the doors. Okay. Unfortunately, I have to go, guys. Very sad thing, but I have to go and take care of some stuff with this doggy. Oh man. So I'll be back. I don't know which hour. I'm not sure if I can start at 8:15 Eastern Standard. Maybe I'm gonna be back later, so I might be jumping in. I just don't know the exact time. So thank you so much for watching. If some of you guys won't see me, have a great weekend, and thank you for all the support you gave during the week. Please use my links and codes if you would like to support my channel. And there's some good discounts. Stack up a few BULENOX accounts and TOPSTEP as well, but BULENOX is an awesome sale. Go buy a few ones, even if you blow them. Just keep the subscription. Okay. Anyway, thanks again. See you guys in the New York session, hopefully. I just don't know which hour. All right. Cheers, everybody.